Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make egg Junnu. This delightful dessert, often called egg custard, is a sweet treat enjoyed by many. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to the final steaming process. You'll be surprised how easy it is to create this rich, creamy dish right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this unique and delicious dessert that's perfect for any occasion. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 4 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, and half a cup of granulated sugar. For that authentic aroma, don't forget to add about 1/4 of a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Gently whisk all these ingredients together in a bowl until the sugar dissolves completely and the mixture is smooth. Ensure there are no lumps, as this will affect the final texture of your Junnu. Now for the cooking process. Carefully pour your egg mixture into a greased, heat-proof dish. You can use a cake pan or individual ramekins. Place this dish inside a larger pot or steamer with about 2 inches of water. Cover the pot and steam over medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. The Junnu is ready when a knife inserted into the center comes out clean, indicating a firm, set custard. Once your egg Junnu is perfectly steamed, let it cool down to room temperature. This is crucial for achieving the right consistency. Then transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 2 hours or until it's thoroughly cold and firm. For more great recipes and tips, check out the link in the description for the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals. Finally, slice your chilled egg Junnu into desired portions and serve. Enjoy this delightful, creamy dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.